Hi, this is Lisa here, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that you're going to do for your first challenge. Now, I know in the instructions that you are going to see when you click on Bernie's Mittens, it's going to take you to this page. So, first of all, step one is you are going to need to create, let me get to it, a background for your slide. So I've provided you with this blank slide. Make sure you go and you create a background. So you're going to want to go click over here, maybe add a background image, okay? So also make sure your name is on this so when it gets shared out, I have that information. I've provided for you a picture of Bernie. Now, it can be Bernie Sanders, it can be anything that you want it to be. So when you're doing this, if you are thinking down the road, hey, I think I'm going to want to do this kind of presentation and I want to put a picture of myself as the game show host, do that. Go ahead and build that slide up for if you've already got this idea of what you want to do for your final project, go ahead and start building that in now so that that's you're one step ahead at the end. So that's absolutely fine to do that. So if you decide, I don't want to mess with Bernie, I want to put myself in it, go for it. And then the other qualifications I have is I want you to definitely have an image that you have to remove the background from, that you put back into that new background that you have created. Then I want for you to add additional images to the slide, which that should be pretty simple to do. So, you don't want to leave it like this. We're going to add some things to make it realistic. And then finally, I want some movement to your slide. If you're able to group objects together or have the need to do that, this is a great time to do that. So if you're making yourself a game show host and your game show host has a podium, make it so your podium's not moving around on you. So let me show you a couple of examples of what I did so that it might spring forth some ideas for you. So let me click on present. So there's Bernie. Here's our friend Bernie again. Oops. And Bernie was linked. I had Bernie linked back to our practice assignment. I'm so sorry. Bernie was supposed to fly in here. That's okay. Our next slide that I'm going to take you to does have movement. Oh, there he goes. And now here's our last slide. So finally, Bernie left the magic carpet, and the first thing he decided to go to was to a movie theater. So that's what I have for you to do for this particular part of the module or micro-credential. And have fun, be creative. But like I said, if you can create something that you know you're going to need later on for the final project, go ahead and take those steps now because it just makes sense to do that for yourself. Have fun, be creative, make a little magic.